Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome in today's class. Today I'm going to start the chapter 3 of your Honeysuckle textbook, and the name of the chapter is Tarot's Reward. Okay, so as I recently finished the chapter in the online classes, so I would only summarize the lesson briefly in this video. Okay, so let's get started. From our childhood, we are listening stories about kings and queens and some quality heroes. Here it is given a Japanese folk tale. So, our today's story is going to be a Japanese folk tale which we are going to read and learn. So, let's begin the story. The story is about a poor woodcutter whose name was Taro. Okay, Taro was a young, poor woodcutter. His father had a wish to take sake इन द ओल्ड एज. ओके, तो स्टोरी हमें बताती है दैट टैरो वॉज अ वेरी thoughtful and loving son, and he was always willing to fulfill his parents' every wish. He always wanted to fulfill all the things which his parents needed. So once his father had a wish to take some sake in the old age. Sake is a Japanese drink which keeps us warm. Okay, so Taro felt very sad, but though he was very hardworking, Taro could not earn so much because ओनली वुड कटिंग वॉज हिज ओनली ऑक्यूपेशन. तो उससे उसकी उतनी ज़्यादा इनकम नहीं हो पाती थी कि वो अपनी पेरेंट्स की सारी विशेस पूरी करे. एंड सेक वॉज एन एक्सपेंसिव ड्रिंक, सो ही कुड नॉट अफोर्ड दैट फॉर हिज फादर. सो टैरो बिकेम वेरी सैड एंड वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट फॉर चॉपिंग वुड्स. And he thought to work extra to earn some extra money so that he can afford that drink for his father and for his father's old and shivering bones. Okay, so he heard the sound of the waterfall. One day he was chopping woods as usual in the forest, and in the meanwhile he just heard a strange sound of rushing water. When he came closer, then he found that it's a waterfall, and went in the same direction. He in till the afternoon he was feeling very thirsty, so he just went there towards the direction of the waterfall for drinking and having some water. And as soon as he started drinking the water, he found that it was not water but warm sake. Okay, so he became very happy and delightful. He got the sake there and filled his pitcher and came home, and he just rushed back to his home, and he was very happy, feeling happy, and he was eager to give that sake to his father, who was also equally eagerly waiting for drinking that sake. Then, as soon as he reached home, his father sipped it and delighted. Okay, so his father became very happy after getting that sake from his son. He just sipped it once, and he started dancing on the floor out of his joy and happiness. Okay. Then after that a visitor came to Taro's home the same day. Okay, so फिर एक visitor आती है एक lady Taro के घर. The visitor was a lady who came into Taro's house the same day. Okay, then what did Taro do? He just offered the sake to her and acquainted her about the whole story of the magical sake and the waterfall. Okay, he just told that lady about the entire waterfall and how did he got that sake after all. Okay, the lady spread the story, and फिर क्या करना था कि lady ने वो story पूरे गांव में, पूरे village में फैला दी among all the people. Okay, the lady spread that story in the whole village, and after that what happened? The next day all the visitors, all the villagers assembled there with their vessels. Okay, the next day all the early in the morning, even before Taro, all the villagers gathered near that waterfall, and what did they carry with them? They carried all the large vessels and pitchers and containers, buckets, whatever they had in their house. They just carried them, and they just went near the waterfall, the magic waterfall, to collect that magical Japanese drink called sake. Okay, so but something strange happened there. When they reached there for collecting that sake from the waterfall, they found that it was cold water instead of warm sake. So they thought that we are deceived by टैरो. सो मतलब उनको ये लगता है कि टैरो ने हमको ठग लिया या फिर हमें झूठी कहानी बताई अबाउट वॉट एवर जो भी मैजिकल वाटरफॉल था. ऐसा असल में कुछ नहीं है, ये सिंपल वाटरफॉल है. जैसे हर वाटरफॉल पानी देता है, इन द सेम वे इट इज़ ऑल्सो गिविंग वाटर, नो रियल वार्म सेक. सो अब दे बिकम वेरी अनॉयड एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड. ठीक है, आउट ऑफ देयर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट दे थॉट दे मेड अ प्लान टू बीट टैरो, बट ही हाइड हिमसेल्फ बिहाइंड अ ह्यूज रॉक. तो उनको इतना गुस्सा आता है टैरो के ऊपर कि वो सोचते हैं कि दे विल बीट हिम टुगेदर वेरी बैडली फॉर ऑल दिस इनकन्वीनियंस विच ही क्रिएटेड. और बट टैरो क्या करता है, अपने आप को छुपा लेता है नियर अ ह्यूज बिहाइंड अ ह्यूज रॉक जस्ट सम वे बैक इन द फॉरेस्ट. सो कोई उसे मार नहीं पाता. आफ्टर गोइंग ऑफ द विलेजर्स ही रीच टू द वाटरफॉल. जब सारे विलेजर्स चले जाते हैं, ही जस्ट वेंट टू दैट सेम प्लेस टू चेक दैट वेदर द विलेजर्स वर राइट or not, whether the next day the waterfall was giving cold water or is it really sake. So he tasted the water, the waterfall which the waterfall is giving. He tasted it again and again to check that it's real sake or not, and he found that yes, it was the same fine sake which he got just the day before afternoon. So the story reached the emperor and he rewarded Taro for his obedient nature. And this whole story, after that, again, what did he do? He just filled, he that day he carried a big pitcher, the largest pitcher which he had in his home, and he just filled that completely and took that for his parents. And this story of Taro and his magic waterfall soon reached the emperor of Japan, and after hearing that, becoming the king, the emperor became very happy, and he just rewarded Taro for his obedient nature, and he encouraged all the children living in Japan to always obey and honor their parents and elders. So here the story ended. Hope you all have understood the story and liked the video. I will be back with the next chapter, that is from supplementary. Until then, you just revise the worksheet and go through the chapter once again. Take care of yourself and thank you so much for watching.